Welcome back to Technique Tuesday and Ballroom Feed. Today we're going to do some beginner rise and fall, in this case, waltz. So what we're going to start with first is I'm assuming maybe you've watched the beginner footwork video, right? But in this case, I'm just going to talk about when we're up and when we're down. This is the beginner version of this. We have advanced versions of rise and fall, advanced versions of footwork you can find on ballroomfeed.com, where some of these are going to change and evolve as you kind of get better as a dancer. But these are fundamentals that you need at the beginning in order to feel comfortable and learn more patterns and enjoy yourself, right? So we have waltzes 1, 2, 3, and I'm really easily going to define each of these numbers 1, 2, 3, where the 2 is the one where we're up and risen. Again, as we get more advanced, these things are going to change. This is a very oversimplified view of it right now, right? The 1 I'm down, the 2 I'm up, the 3 I'm down. I'm only up on the 2 at this point, right? So if I dance this dance, I'm going to go forward to left foot like a leader would. I'm going to really start this dance on the 3 because I'm down before I go take my first step, right? I'm not going to go take my first step on the 1 and kind of fall over into my partner. I'm going to come down 3, I'm going to go 1, I'm going to come up on the 2, close my feet and come down on the 3, right? So I'm going to go down 1, up 2, down 3. What I want to emphasize for newer dancers is that I need to stay low on the 1, right? I don't want to go 1 on a straight leg. I really don't have much to go on 2, and I really never want to get to locked out legs anyway, right? So I need to stay bent in this 1. So I have somewhere to now go on the 2, and then when my feet close, I can then settle back down again into the 3, stay low on this 1, come up on the 2, and then come down again on the 3 itself, right? So in a very simple way, I'm doing this box, down 1, up 2, down 3, down 1, up 2, down 3. Again, more advanced versions of this on ballroomfeed.com/waltz, and you can check it out and learn more with us. But thank you so much for joining us on Technique Tuesday, helping you improve. Have an awesome day.